Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be unboxing this new headset. And if you can't see, it's the Blackshark V2, which comes with a USB sound card, and I'm really looking forward to this because I've been pretty much using Apple headphones for the past while, and having some actually good headphones will really make a difference. So let's get started. As usual, they give you a card signed by, I'm pretty sure, Razer CEO or something. With the picture of the product, and then they have a manual, and the manual pretty much is talking about everything you need to know about it. And tucked inside actually is the Razer stickers. So yeah, you can check this out later if you need any help with the headphones and you don't understand anything. Okay, so now you just pull everything out and you've got it. So here's the bag and the kind of the case for the headphones, I guess. It's tied up, so let's just untie this. If I open this, this is very protected. A lot of boxes for headphones. I mean, you love to see it because you should be protecting your headphones, right? You don't want your headphones to be broken. Get me! Okay, I'm guessing this is the wiring, and then this is the headphones itself. So, first impressions, super smooth finish, pretty comfortable feeling like leather matting, so I think it's going to be comfortable even though I am actually wearing glasses, so I'm hoping this will actually help my problem. These are really soft. Okay, so all these. Okay, this is the mic, you can see. Comes in one of the small boxes. Okay, so it's just, and the mic, I'm pretty sure you just attach onto this hole here that you can see. You stick it in, I guess, and yeah, there you go, you got a mic, and it's got some foam over it too, which is really good, so your mic quality will be like a ton better. Now that's it. So pretty much this is it's a USB headphone, so you're gonna need a USB slot. If you don't want to use this with a USB, you can just plug this out and plug this in, and then plug it into a USB slot if you want it to be a USB headphone. Okay, so now it's been pretty much a week of me using it, and I have to say this is definitely a 10 out of 10, and credits to 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗹𝗀 for actually doing the review that actually got me to get this headphone, and so far I really enjoyed it. And for my glasses, compared to most other headphones I've used, I guess it helps a lot more. Now, although I still can't wear it for extended periods, I can at least wear it for a lot longer without feeling discomfort. And also, I'm very happy with the overall sound quality, and I mean, everything's just a plus for me, and honestly, this is probably one of the best headphones you can get in the price range on the market right now, so I really do recommend you guys try this out. And that's probably going to be it for this review slash unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this new style of editing, and I'm trying to get better at this type of editing as well, because I mean, it's a good skill to have. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.